Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to translate checkout fields without needing Shopify Plus if you're running a Shopify store and want to offer your customers a multi-language experience. You might be wondering how to translate the checkout fields, such as payment and shipping information. Unfortunately, Shopify does not provide a built-in way to translate checkout fields unless you're on Shopify Plus. But don't worry, there are still ways to make your checkout process more accessible to international customers. To achieve this, you will need to rely on third-party apps like Langify or Translate and Adapt. These apps can help you translate the text that appears in the checkout process, including payment instructions, shipping fields, and order summaries. Even without Shopify Plus, you can use these apps to ensure your checkout experience is in the language your customers are comfortable with. Shopify's built-in multi-language feature is great for translating storefront elements like product descriptions and page content. However, this feature does not extend to the checkout fields. For Shopify Plus users, there's a more advanced option. Shopify Plus allows customization of the checkout page using liquid templates, which gives access to translation capabilities directly for the checkout fields. But unfortunately, this is not available for users on standard Shopify plans. If you prefer not to use apps or get into coding, you can still translate your store's content using Shopify's language settings, which will cover product descriptions and other store elements, though it won't change the checkout fields. Once you've set up your translations using the apps or Shopify settings, it's a good idea to test the checkout process in different languages to ensure everything is displaying correctly. This way, your customers will have a smooth and localized shopping experience. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.